Okay. Okay, y'all. She's still not online. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah, hi. I don't know what to play today. Oh, yes, Moo Moo, but I don't like her too much. It's kind of weird. Escape Hunter. Oh, wait! That's it. No. I don't think we should play that game. It's kind of weird. Human. Oh, wait, no. That's kind of boring. Last to leave the circle. Yes, likely. This will be a best game. Let's go. Last to leave the circle is gonna be my favorite time. Let's hope. I just need one more. Wait a minute. I have a game similar to this. I should be really good at it. Walk or die. Oh wait, no, that's. I'll do that later in another video. What about my core wave a hamster? Yes, microwave a hamster. Yes, this one. Merge a hamster. So you like, yeah, that's how. I saw Otter in this video. It made me so lovely. He's my favorite YouTuber. Subscribe to him and also on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe also, because this will take a bit of time. Oh, look at this picture. He's merging. Okay, merge a hamster. Let's go. And this they call microwave a hamster. Yeah. Okay. There's a hamster. Oh wait, no, that's the baby. Baby. How do I pick these up? Like just like that? How do I pick them up? How do I pick them up? Please grab. Oh, okay. It's giving me. How do I pick it up? Do I just touch it? What do I do it? I think y'all. This game is not working well. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's get an item. I want some item that I can pick up. They are so boring. How do I pick this up? Oh, now I can pick it up. Okay. This is like a mobile game. I'm on a console. Just to let y'all know. So now I just touched him. And now I can do it. Okay, you know what? Let me make a bag of chips. Thing. Here's bag of chips. Now, where's the hamster? Hey, come back here. Got it. And then it's going. Nah. This is gonna be amazing. Okay. Okay, he's gonna pop out, so be ready. Where's him? Whoa, stop running! Wow, he looks beautiful. Oh, I love him. Okay, you can run free, my boy. You are my very first tiger. Oh, look. Oh, did he just disappear? Massive hamster? Sure. I'm gonna vote for that, but I'm not paying it. Say some admin. Ooh, this will be perfect. Did I burn it? I'm so sorry, hamster. I burned it. No. There's never been a ball hamster. It's kind of big. Hey! Seriously? Mister. Mister! No! Don't do this to me! No, hamster! Get somebody else! I'm not your second. Get out. Okay. Yes, bow. There's some hamsters. Okay, there's someone at the store. Let me get him. Okay. Oh, look! I can get him. There's a new update. Hey! No, no. You're not getting me. You're not getting me. Nuh-uh. Just stupid. Stop. I'm not the hamster. Get me out. I'm not it. I'm stuck in here. Let's just. Well, do you all like my avatar, please? Do you like it? Yeah. I know it's kind of ugly. Okay. Seriously, this stupid freaking height this admin. Wait, can I pick you up, man? Wait, Mister, 1 second. Can I pick you up? Then why is he? Oh wait, look! I have an idea. A hamburger. This perfect. Money taker. What? There's no money. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Get to bed. Oh. I'm so sorry about that, y'all. Don't remember. Just okay, y'all. 23000. Do not mind this, guys. Sorry. I am super sorry about that. Something happened. Oh no. Yeah, don't worry. That's my. Just wait. Okay, y'all. This. No, he's ugly. Put him back to where he was. I'm so sorry, hamster. What happened? Come back. Yes, he's back to normal. There you go, hamster. Chicken monkey. Okay, I love you, and you may be free now. Do not play. No, that's my hamster. Stupidity. Oh, it's in there. Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. He's my hamster. Stop. He's my hamster. You are not taking him. Okay. Okay. Oh. No, babies. No. Okay, you're free. Disco? Sure, I guess. Ooh, let me make a guitar one. Sure. Ooh, little hamster. You're going free. What about 5? Tyler? What do you mean? What do you mean, Tyler? Okay. Yeah, okay. What the hell? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this again, okay? What the hell? Yes. You're coming with me, Hamsty. Come on, Hamsty. Come here, Hamsty. Okay. And there. Okay. He's coming in. This will be my last hamster. I know this is not a long video, but I have a class to do. It's important. That is so cute. Okay, I love him. Come on. We're gonna make you. Oh, there's a baby one. Okay, let's wash you up. And also you. You're gonna be washed up. Goody. No, stop. No. Oh, sorry. Don't. You're staying right here. Okay? Oh, look at them. They're so happy. Oh, okay. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, bye. So many hamsters. There's only a few people? Paper shredder. Oh, here's my Tyler. Oh, wait, no, this is my bag of chips. Hey, get back. Tim's lagging so hard. Oh, look at him. Okay, Bergie. I'm gonna name you Bergie. I'm so sorry about this. Come on, go shred. Go shred. 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 Okay, I'm gonna keep you in there, okay? Oh, he's so cute in there. Oh, I wonder how long he can last in there. Oh. Well, if you enjoyed this video today, hope you enjoy it. And this man is just staring right at me. Well, bye. I hope you like my costume. Like and subscribe. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.